Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. I'll be helping you learn how to know if someone deleted you on Snapchat in today's tutorial. Snapchat does not make it easy to tell if someone has blocked or deleted you. When that happens, you won't receive any kind of notifications. So, how to tell if someone really deleted you on Snapchat? There are two methods to learn how. If you are watching us for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. The first thing you can do is simply go to your Snapchat. From the camera screen, swipe right. Tap in the search bar on the top and type in the name of the user you're looking for. Now wait till their name pops up. When that happens, you'll be able to see their name, their Snapchat username, and their Snap score. If you can only see the Snap scores of the people you follow, then the person has not unfollowed you yet. If you cannot see the Snapchat score, then it looks like they have unfollowed you or deleted you from the Snapchat. Another way to know if someone deleted you is to go back to your home screen. From the home screen, tap on the chat bubble icon at the bottom left corner. Double tap on the username you want to test. Tap the circle to take a picture. Now tap on the send arrow to send the message at the bottom right. Now tap on the text you just sent by opening the text. If the status reads pending and never shows delivered, then the user may have deleted you from their friend list. If you can see the delivered status, then you still are friends on Snapchat. That is how you can know if someone has deleted you on Snapchat with these simple and easy tricks. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. We'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes like this. Thank you for watching.